Hello everyone, it's Justine. Today is my first video that I've ever made showing how I make gift tags. Now, I'm pretty new to making gift tags, I guess. I just am using these pre-made tags, the white bases, from Amazon. I just bought them on a whim one day because I thought, well, if I make cards, I might as well make a gift tag to go with a card if I'm giving a gift. And I thought, why not make some Christmas gift tags? Because I always seem to need things like this during Christmas time and no time to make them at all when it's actually Christmas time. So I'm using all of my materials here besides the actual tags themselves, all from the card kit of the month from Spellbinders from October 2022. So these are all of the scraps, leftover die cuts, some stickers, pattern paper, really just any little bit and bob that I think would look nice on a Christmas tag. I'm just kind of whipping them up. I believe I made 25, but I'm not quite sure. I've already given some of these away to some family that will use them for Christmas, so I'm not sure about how many, I guess. But I think that gift tags are kind of a fun place to just kind of play around with some designs and just try things. If it isn't perfect, it doesn't matter because it is simply a gift tag. It isn't something that someone is going to treasure forever and ever and ever. At least mine aren't. They're more of a simple design. I know that there's some really beautiful gift tags out there that people make and design that are truly treasures. Similar to a card, but these are really just basic, simple. I'm going to have a spot on the back for someone to write the to and from, or the for and from, as some people say. So they're just basically getting the job done. They're a gift tag, that is all. But they're going to be cute at that same time. So the package that I got from Amazon with these gift tags has some twine on the back, or to put on through the thread, but on the back here of some of these, I'm going to put these little stickers because it came with the sticker add-on pack, and I guess just use them up on these tags and just kind of keep on making some more. So if you don't want to buy tags from Amazon that are pre-made, I'm sure that there are some gift tags at craft stores or even some paper punches. You can get a corner rounder to round off the bottoms or not. You can leave them as is and just have a little hole punch for a thread. You can get gift punches for the top parts. These ones are kind of like a billowy cloud look on the top, but you can do more of a straight edge if you want. So really the possibilities are kind of endless for tags because there aren't really set rules, besides the fact that it probably should have somewhere for the sender to write to and from, but that's basically it. So these are very fun and playful, and I think some really pretty wrapping paper would really just tie off the look of all of these together. So the rest of these tags really are similar, so I'm not just going to talk over them the whole time. I'm just going to put on just some of the music that I use on my channel here, and you can just watch as I make them, and I'll come back at the end and just send you on your merry way. Thank you. point now. It's almost the end of my video. So as you can see, I've made several tags. Now some of these have a couple layers, like the ones that I have up at the top, those 3 on the right. And I'm just going to attach the string to them and kind of make them all one little gift tag bundle. So off camera, I've added the strings now, and I will just show you the final look of all of my tags. So here's a look at all of them. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you've liked this, let me know by either liking the video or commenting something in the comments, and maybe I'll make some birthday tags later, or just general gift tags. I guess we'll see. Anyway, thank you again for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day and you can hopefully craft something fun soon. Come on back in 2 days. I will have a look at all of the cards I made from the card kit of the month and some of the other club items. So stick around and come on back. Bye.